In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add and change the header and footer in Google Sites. Whether you're customizing a personal site or building something professional, this quick guide will help you set up a clean and polished look in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open your site in the new Google Sites editor. If you don't already have a header, move your cursor to the very top of the page where it says Enter Site Name and simply click Add Header. This will instantly place a header section on your site. Now, to customize it, hover over the header and click Change Image. From here, you can either upload your own image from your computer, pick from Google's free gallery, or even select one of your previously uploaded images. This is a great way to showcase your brand, business, or personality. Next, you can adjust the header size. Click on Header Type, and you'll see options like Cover, Large Banner, Banner, or Title Only. Play around with these until you find the layout that best fits your site style. Once your header looks the way you want, it's time to set up the footer. Scroll down to the very bottom of your site and click Add Footer. Just like the header, you can add text, images, or links here. Perfect for contact info, social media links, or disclaimers. When everything is ready, don't forget the final step. Click Publish in the top right corner. This makes your new header and footer visible to everyone who visits your site. And that's it. Your header and footer are now fully customized in Google Sites. If you found this guide helpful, stick around for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.